Saturday. We're on our way to Florida, right? It's currently 2:16 in the morning. Our flight's at 6 and we have to drive an hour and a half to Atlantic City Airport to, I totally lost my train of thought. Okay, Chris from FLIPZCO here. FLIPZCO, Justin from FLIPZCO right here. I'm white now. Monica, where are we?
We're at the airport in Atlantic City and it's really cold.
It's like 55 degrees in here. It's like 55 degrees in here. Anyways, we're on our way to Orlando for Adam LZ's open house. It's, what time is it? 3:55 or something?
It is 3:55.
Oh,
Wow.
I did it. Anyways, our flight's in 2 hours. I'm pretty sure the airport didn't even open yet. We made it to our gate. Mm-hmm. We did.
We made it.
We made it. Are you excited for Florida? Good, me too. Our plane is yellow. I think that's pretty cool. All right, I think we're boarding in like 2 minutes, so.
We are currently in the parking garage of the airport.
But what state are we in?
Oh, can we start that over?
No, it's good, we're good.
I was supposed to be excited. I wasn't that excited.
You're
We're in Florida right now.
We made it to Florida. Salida.
She said this way.
Salida.
Oh,
So,
yeah, pay now,
oh, I have money.
You have money?
I do.
Fresh Florida air.
Yeah.
Where the fuck do I go?
I don't know.
Do not enter. Alright,
That, to be honest with you. We're in Florida. We got the car. It's a Kia Rio, aka the world's fastest car. That was hard.
My Subaru don't stop that fast.
We're getting used to the brakes. How come we didn't get, there was like 6 Corvettes. We didn't get them. FLIPZCO paid for all of this. What the fuck, Justin?
I think we got a better deal here. Look at this fucking car, it's green. So cool. Ow, let's go.
Flags it, that way. We're in the sunshine state and it's not sunny.
Show me outside. I gotta see where the fuck do I go?
That way. I don't. Please focus. Thank you. Disney World. Good morning. We're in Disney. We're stowaways, technically.
Yeah, we stole a room.
We did. Actually, we did. Killian and Sierra were nice enough to let us stay in the room last night, but they had to leave at like
2 in the morning?
2 in the morning or something? I don't know. I was passed out. I heard them say goodbye. Probably went or something.
That's how I answered. I was like,
Adam's thing. Now this lighting. Wait, when I go like this, only mustache.
I think you should do that. You'd rock it.
Hell yeah.
What did you say? We have to do an intro.
Well, we already did the intro. The intro's at my house 2 days ago.
Okay,
but
so.
We're here at the open house. And we have, you know, beautiful cars.
Wow. Oh wait, we gotta get the best car here.
What? Oh,
This
the Beetle.
one.
The Beetle.
I think this is vlog material. Wow, I'm so good at this.
Yeah, you gotta show them the
gas pedal.
Gas pedal.
Are you ready? I don't know, can you see it?
See here?
I don't know if you can see it.
Gas pedal.
I'm like inside this person's car.
Wait, no.
Is that gas?
No. There's no clutch.
Oh.
I don't think this is a stick. I don't know. I'm not good at this stuff.
No, it looks like it's pretty automatic.
Yeah.
Actually. It's cool though.
I love this thing though. I told Bob to come down and meet us.
Okay.
What is this? So I want to know. What is that?
What are this?
What are this? What are thou?
Pretty sick.
This is goals. dream swap. This is it. This is my dream. This is my dream. A 1J or a 2J and an FDR7.
He's fangirling right now.
Doritos. Doritos. Doritos.
Doritos. Is that right there? He's being super fangirl right now.
Someday. Someday.
You'll be on this level one day. Don't worry about it. I can't like see anything.
They're a lot longer than I thought they'd be. Oh. Oh my goodness. So we're trying to find Bob and Joe. Booby.
Booby. Where's Booby?
No.
Oh my god, I don't like these people.
Isn't it all-wheel drive? That was crazy.
Wow, is that
Oh, hey guys.
Booby and Joe?
Yeah, look at look at these chickens, bro.
I know. We got Tommy's.
I don't know. I don't need to. I'm just not a fan of that.
All I know is just Tommy's.
I'm all pissed.
I don't know, man. Why is that though?
Look, they're kissing.
I know. I said they're touching tips.
Now give me a kiss.
Hey.
I did not get him coming to us. I'm kind of upset about that.
He's busy. We have TJ Hunt doing two-step, and I'm not getting close. There's no way. There's no shot. I just want this hat. Yo.
Oh, it's over there, but. Oh my god!
He's getting him.
I'm so excited.
So excited. Yeah, alright. Oh, there's more. We get the point. I don't know what's going on. I don't know.
Like I'm in Afghanistan.
Oh, that was the R32.
This dude knows what's up with
Yeah.
stick.
The reactions people are having are just like.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Joe, are you filming for us now?
Make a pop.
Are you filming for FLIPZCO now? Ike thought his mom was driving. Florida's pretty rowdy, that's all I gotta say. Florida's really rowdy, is what I really have to say. Sure. Them iron blocks though.
Y'all get the 6 sticker.
Yeah. Wait.
This thing fucked. Okay then, that's all wasted.
Anyway, I don't really have anything planned to say other than we are going to do a raffle, I think around like 3. Is that what we decided? Yeah, okay, yeah, 3. 3, it's decided. So we're going to,
Yeah, that dude looks like Mike.
Oh my god, I peed myself. It's okay, Joe. It's okay. Dude, I have goosebumps right now. This is insane. Bye.
So is this a wrap on Florida? Is this?
Get there again.
This is a pretty shitty wrap for Florida.
That's a wrap.
Whoa, Bob, where'd you go?
Right here.
I thought you were gonna hit me in the nuts, Bob. Damn.
They're pretty.
Yeah.
My uncle old friend just won 100 grand and spent 82 on a stinger.
Oh my god.
I don't know, man. Sting, baby, sting, you know? I was getting that yellow. Probably haven't even driven a manual car since the last time I drove my my 240, but I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get in it.
And we all remember what happened last time.
Perez are gonna tandem.
Oh boy.
It's gonna be super safe.
So you guys are gonna die, but we all remember last time you drove a manual car. That the fire day?
No.
That wasn't the fire day?
Last time, I got it back in the fire, I got it wrapped, and the first lap I put it in the mud and we had to tow me out.
That's right, I remember that. I remember that.
I was like, dude, I can't tandem. I can't even get around that thing by myself.
Yeah.
I'm on a tandem.
We were like, oh, we all were like, why is it so quiet? And then I look over, then you're in the mud. And I go,
Yeah, it was AJ was there.
Damn.
I didn't want to look like an idiot in front of AJ because he had this crazy car. And I was like, oh. Here we go, first lap. I went in so hot too that I don't know what I was doing.
It's the best way to do it though, coming hot.
Yeah.
it's just kind of.
Told you, never lift, dude.
Fresh wrap job.
So let her eat.
Oh, it was. Oh my god.
Straight in the mud.
Damn.
First lap.
Bye.